How to know your eyesight is getting worse without an optometrist? You Google it. Why do I keep squinting? Is it my screen just bad? I will watch a TikTok where someone says, I didn't know my vision was getting worse until I thought a trash bag was a dog. Good news, you can live with it, but your eyes might need some healthy exercises. Based on search trends and viral stories, here's the top ways people figure out their eyesight is getting worse before they ever step foot in a clinic. First, wait, was that a tree or my neighbor waving at me? If everything in the distance looks blurry, your vision might be quietly getting worse. One Reddit user shared that they waved back at a tree because they thought it was their friend in a green hoodie. It wasn't. Second, why do I squint to see better? Is that bad? Ever notice how you squint at the screen signs? That's not just concentration, it's optical compensation. Squinting helps reduce peripheral light rays and sharpens the image, hitting your retina. The result, a momentary improvement in clarity, but if you find yourself squinting more often than smiling, your eyes are probably doing overtime, and not in a good way. Third, headaches from nowhere. Your eyes might be to blame. You blink, maybe once in the last 5 minutes. Your eyes feel burning and your forehead tighter than your jeans after taco night. Eye strain, headaches caused by too much screen time, poor lighting, or even wearing the wrong glasses. These headaches hit differently. They're not just annoying, they're your body's way of saying, hey genius, maybe look away from the laptop once in a while. If you get mystery headaches after screen time, or reading, your eyes might be doing more heavy lifting than your brain. Fourth, are subtitles getting smaller or it's just me? Blurry subtitles are today's version of failing an eye chart. If you caught yourself leaning closer, like you're about to enter the TV, it's time to ask, is your binge watching hurting your vision? Fifth, did they change the font on my phone overnight? When font text looks like it's in a foggy mood, you open your phone to read a message and boom, instant confusion. Is that a sweet good morning or a blurry barcode? If your font text suddenly looks like it's trying out soft focus, Instagram filters, your eyes might be sending a need help sign. It's not your screen, it's not your phone settings. Even for just few seconds, it could be a sign of digital eye strain. 6. You mistake strangers for friends. Ever wave enthusiastically at someone across the street only to realize it's a complete stranger? If your eyes are turning the world into a blur, you are not imagining things. Trouble recognizing faces from a distance, it's one of the sneaky signs your eyes might be deteriorating, and your eyes need some attention. 7. Your eyes get tired faster than you do. You glue it to your devices, crushing deadlines and scrolling endlessly, but your eyes are paying the price. Tired eyes from screen time happen because we blink way less when we're staring at the screens, up to 60% less, and not changing focus, distance. This leads to dryness, eye muscle strain, irritation, and fuzzy feeling like you've been trapped in a smoky room. The fix: simple blinking habits and looking away from the screen every minute. What to do if you recognize these signs? Noticing 2 or more of these symptoms regularly. No reason to panic, but do pay attention before it gets worse. Check free course playlist and implement daily exercises to recover eye health and see better.